Hello dear students, hope all of you are fine. In this video representation today we will learn rounding of numbers. Let us start. What is rounding off? Rounding is to replace the number with another one that has value approximately equal to our original number but is simpler, shorter and easier to represent and use in any calculation. It makes the number less exact but simpler to calculate. It is useful for obtaining the approximate value of large quantities. Rounding can be to the nearest tens, nearest hundreds, or nearest thousand. Rounding to the nearest tens. First, we will see how to round off a number to the nearest tens. For this, we have to follow these two steps. Step 1. If the digit at the ones place is less than 5, it is replaced by 0 while retaining the other digits. For example, 172. In this number, the digit at ones place is less than 5, so it is replaced by 0. So on rounding off the number 172 to the nearest tens, we get its approximate value as 170. Step 2. If the digit at ones place is 5 or greater than 5, it is replaced by 0 and 1 is added to the tens place value, retaining all the other digits. For example, 186. Since in this example, the digit at ones place is greater than 5, it is replaced by 0 and 1 is added to the tens place. So on rounding off number 186 to the nearest tens, we get its approximate value as 190. Rounding to the nearest hundreds. To round off a number to the nearest hundreds, we have to follow these three steps. Step 1. The digit at ones place is always replaced by 0. Step 2. If the digit at tens place is less than 5, it is replaced by 0 while retaining the remaining digits. Step 3. If the digit at the tens place is 5 or more than 5, it is replaced by 0 and 1 is added to the hundreds place. All the remaining digits are retained. For example, 418. In this number, replace the digit at ones place with 0 as per step 1. Now, check the digit at tens place. Since it is less than 5, replace it with 0 and keep the digits at hundreds place as such, as per the step 2. So, on rounding off the number 418 to the nearest hundreds, we get its approximate value equal to 400. Similarly, next example, that is 7468. Again, replace the digit at ones place with 0 as per step 1. Next, check the digit at tens place. Since it is greater than 5, replace it by 0 and add 1 to the hundreds place and keep remaining digits as such as per step 3. So on rounding off the number 7468 to the nearest hundreds, we get its approximate value as 7500. Rounding to the nearest thousands. To round off any number to the nearest thousands, we have to follow these three steps. Step 1. The digit at the ones and the tens place are always replaced by 0. Step 2. If the digit at the hundreds place is less than 5, it is replaced by 0. Step 3. If the digit at the hundreds place is 5 or more than 5, it is replaced by 0 and 1 is added to the thousands place, retaining the digits at the remaining places. For example, 1176. As per step 1, replace the digits at ones and tens place by 0. Next, check the digit at hundreds place. Since it is less than 5, replace it by 0 as per step 2. So, on rounding off the number 1176 to the nearest thousands, we get its approximate value as 1000. Similarly, in next example, that is 4682, replace the digits at ones and tens place by 0 as per step 1. Next, check the digits at hundreds place. Since it is greater than 5, replace it by 0 and add 1 to the thousands place. Retain the remaining digits as per step 3. So, on rounding off the number 4682 to the nearest thousands, we get its approximate value as 5000. So, dear students, you can round off any number to the nearest tens, nearest hundreds, or nearest thousands by following the same steps. Thank you.